Students, now discuss about species concept. This is species concept of species. Species, it is the second epithet in scientific name of a living animal. Species, it is the Latin word that means kind or appearance. Next, students, different scientists given concept about the species. Next, in this, John Ray in his book Historia Generalis Plantarum. John Ray in his book Historia Generalis Plantarum. Okay, in this used term in his book, the term is used, the term species is used in Historia Generalis Plantarum by John Ray. Students, he describes about the species it on the basis of a common descent. Species describes it on the basis of the common descent. Common descent means all the living species individuals are having the common ancestors. One of the first living animal is there. All the living animal, all the species individuals now present as a population in particular area, particular region. These all of the individuals of only single species are originate from the only one of the ancestors. All the species individuals have a common ancestor. Next, these are group of morphologically similar individuals. Population individuals, species individuals appeared as a population in particular area. These are all the individuals shows the similar characters, morphologically similar organisms. Next, Linnaeus, scientist, in his book Systema Naturae, student, considers species is a basic unit of classification. Species, it is acting as a basic unit for the classification. Next, Buffon, in his book Natural History, species, it is a foundation. Species concept is given by the Buffon in his book Natural History. It is a foundation for biological concept of evolution. Okay, foundation of the biological concept of evolution. Foundation for biological concept of evolution. Students, in the living organisms, living animals, some amount of the adaptations, particular advantages are produced. These are from the environmental conditions. Any changes that occurs in the living organisms and appeared as this one is leads to as a generation of the new species. Any one of the adaptation that is appeared in the living organism, any one of the new character, any one of the morphological character, internal character that is develops in the individuals of this species, that is evolved into next species, that is becomes into formation of the developing of the new species. That is foundation for biological concept of evolution. Next, Charles Darwin in his book Origin of Species, the concept of the species given in the form of the became more popular. Concept of the species is more popular after the Charles Darwin in his book The Origin of the Species. In this, students, Buffon gives the concept of this species in definition form. Species is an interbreeding group of group of similar individuals sharing common gene pool produce fertile offsprings. Students, species is an interbreeding group. Reproduction takes place only by the species individuals. Okay, species individuals that only goes to the interbreeding. Interbreeding is only, reproduction is only between the species individuals. These are reproductively separate from the another group of the individuals from another species. Reproductively shows separation from the individuals of another species. These are also share common gene pool. Common gene pool. Amount of the genes present in the species individuals, these are produces offsprings. By the method of the producing offsprings, amount of the genes present in the parents, these are entered into, reaches into offsprings in the form of the offsprings, generated individuals. Okay, total amount of the genes present in the particular individual of species. Amount of the total genes present in particular individual belongs from the single species, that is called gene pool. Enter the genes present in the parents reaches into the offsprings of same species, that is called sharing of common gene pool produce fertile offspring. Species shows some amount of the common features. In this, first one is reproductively isolated from others. Reproductively isolated from others means species individuals reproductively separate, reproductively isolate from other species individuals. Okay, reproduction or interbreeding takes place between the individuals of same species. So it is a breeding unit. Species is a breeding unit. Next, sharing same ecological nature. Okay, student, in this sharing same ecological niche, that means the condition, the interaction between the species individuals with the environment, that is called ecological nature. All the individuals of same species having the same interaction with the environmental conditions, that habitat conditions, that is sharing same ecological nature, an ecological unit. Next, similarity in karyotype. Karyotype, that means complement of the chromosomes present in the nucleus of a cell, that is called karyotype. Okay, chromosome complement, chromosome content of a cell in all individuals belongs from the same species or same. So it is the genetic unit. Similarity in karyotype, a genetic unit. Next, student, similar structure functional characteristic. All these species individuals, all the individuals belongs from the same species that lives in particular region, shows similarity in morphological characters, in internal characters and functional characters. So it is called evolutionary unit. So species is a breeding unit, an ecological unit, a genetic unit, an evolutionary unit. Next, example students, if you observe, Apis indica, Apis mellifera, Apis florea, Apis florea. Next, Apis dorsata. In these students, these are the scientific name of honeybee. In this, Apis indica, that lives in India. Next, Apis mellifera, it is the honeybee, lives in Europe. Next, Apis florea, Apis dorsata, these are two species individuals, species honeybees, lives in Southeast Asia, Southeastern Asia and South Asia. Okay students, in this if you observe Apis indica, Apis mellifera, Apis florea, Apis dorsata, these are 4 different species individuals. Okay student, these are 4 different species. In this, if you observe species name, indica, mellifera, florea and dorsata, 4 different species individuals having the or belongs from the same genus Apis. Okay student. Next, another one of the example, Ferritima posthuma, it is the scientific name of earthworm. Periplaneta americana, it is the scientific name for cockroach. Panthera leo, it is the scientific name for lion. Okay student, these are different species individuals, belongs from the different types of the genus. Okay. Next, sometimes closely related species of the genus can interbreed. Interbreed means reproduction. Okay. Sometimes closely related species. Closely related species means species, animals or two animals belongs from the different species but having some amount of the close relationship between these two animals. Male belongs from the one of the species and female belongs from the another species. These two species individuals, different students, different species individuals show similarity in many features. In these students, female donkey, okay. Next, male horse, having these are belongs from two different species. Okay student. Equus caballus, horse scientific name, and Equus asinus, donkey scientific name. Equus, both are belongs from the same genus Equus. Next, if you go to breeding between these two, interbreeding between these two, female donkey and male horse. When interbreeding between these two individuals, one of the individual is generated as there is a cross between female donkey, male horse, and one of the individual is generated offspring. That one is called hinny. Also, it is a sterile hybrid. Hinny, it is a sterile hybrid. It is a hybrid. Sterile means it loses ability to interbreed, loses its ability to reproduction. Okay student, that is a sterile hybrid, that is named with hinny. Next, another Dobzhansky, another one is scientist Dobzhansky. Okay, students, Dobzhansky give species concept in the form of the Mendelian population. What is the meaning of Mendelian population? Group of sexual reproducing animals. Species individuals. These are lives as a group, sexually reproducing animals. And mating takes place between them, goes to reproduction takes place between them only, and share common gene pool. Okay student, and finally these are the species individuals shows some amount of the adaptations, some amount of the changes in these species individuals. These are from the environmental conditions. From the environmental conditions, some amount of the adaptation, some amount of the changes are occurs in these species individuals, and finally leads to the formation of the new species. So species is dynamic. Species is dynamic.